This toilet is not filling the rest of the way, so Jaden and Clara are going to help me fix it. First thing we're going to do is turn off the water to the toilet. So Jaden, reach back there. Other way. Yep, just like the water hose. Turn it all the way to the right, righty-tighty. There we go. Until you can't turn it anymore. And that's going to turn off the water flow. Not that we necessarily need to do that because no water is flowing into the toilet, but just as a precaution, that's what we're going to do.
Ow. I mean, that doesn't really hurt.
You okay?
That didn't really hurt. I just said, ew, what was that?
Probably poop.
Ew.
Just kidding. All right, you got it?
Not yet.
Okay. Now we're going to remove the lid.
There's barely any water in there.
Uh-oh. How do we fix it? Okay, Clara, remove the hose.
I don't know. That white one. That white thing. Pull it
We
out.
actually are not really sure how to fix it, but we're going to figure it out. Looks like we should remove that hose. Don't break. Oh my gosh. All right. Got it. We had to remove the other side first to get it off. Okay, so next we're going to apply pressure to the thingy-mabob. Push it down and Jaden turn it to the left until it's like it clicks off. Yep. Push it down and then turn it. Push it down. Don't turn it without pushing it. You can do it. I'm going to give you a little help.
What if we just got a whole new blanket? I mean toilet.
We'll get a whole new blanket and put it in the toilet. Lift that up. See if you can lift that up. There you go. Good job.
Oh yeah.
Good job. Yes.
Oh yeah. Next we're gonna pull this tiny pink piece out of the pole.
The bottom of the pole.
The bottom of the pole.
The pink piece came from right down here. And we just pushed it down and popped it out.
We're going to use the straw cleaner to clean out the hole, but don't worry, we're not going to use it to clean straws later.
How do you clean the hole out with the straw cleaner?
You just... We cleaned this top part up.
And now we're going to put it back together.
Now we're going to put it back together.
And see if it works.
And see if it works.
So we put it completely back together, and now Jaden is down there turning the water back on. Okay. We can hear it. You hear it, Jaden?
Yeah.
Is it leaking anywhere?
No, we're going to put the lid back on now. Now let's flush. Now we'll flush and see what happens.